Hi children, welcome to today class. This is session 13 video. Put today's date and you can start right. Now we are going to start with the page number 65. Okay, so before I am starting this class, I want to recall the previous class. So previous class we learnt about the rhombus. Okay, we learnt about the how to find the area of rhombus. Okay, so now we're going to learn the area how to find the area of trapezium. Okay, so trapezium also one of the shape. Children, before moving to this class, I want to say you one thing. So you want to get ready for the test in the next class. Okay, so next Friday you're going to undergo with the test from the exercises 2.1, 2.2 and 2.3. Okay children, okay, now we are going to start up with the trapezium. So a parallelogram with one pair of non-parallel sides is known as trapezium. Okay children, listen these pictures. I drawn the three images, you just go with this. So first is rectangle ABCD. Okay, so I just slightly move this rectangle to one side, I got the parallelogram. This is parallelogram ABCD. Okay children, now you can see the difference between the parallelogram and trapezium. So this image is the trapezium. Children, in this parallelogram ABCD, okay, and then ADBC, all the sides are parallel. Okay children, so here you can check this AB parallel to this two lines. If I draw means it means parallel. Okay, AB parallel to DC, AB parallel to DC. Okay va, but AD is non-parallel to BC. Okay va children, AD non-parallel to BC சொல்றேன்னா இந்த AD லைனை விட இந்த BC லைன் வந்து ஸ்லாண்டிங் அதிகமாக இருக்குது, ரொம்ப சைடாக இருக்குது. ஓகேவா, அப்போ நான் என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா இதோட டிகிரி மெஷர்மெண்ட்டும் சேஞ்ச் ஆகிருக்கும். ஓகேவா சில்ட்ரன், ஸோ தட் ஒன்லி வி ஆர் டெல்லிங் தட் AD non-parallel to BC. So in the definition for the trapezium, I has given that with a parallelogram with one pair of non-parallel sides. So in the trapezium one pair of non-parallel sides இருக்கு. ஓகேவா, ஒரு சைடு பேரலாக இருக்குது, ஒரு சைடு வந்து நான் பேரலாக இருக்குது. ஸோ தட் ஒன்லி திஸ் இமேஜ் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் ஏ trapezium. Okay children, I hope everybody is clear with this trapezium now. Okay, so next I'm going to introduce one new topic, that is isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium, if non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal. Okay va, AB equal to CD, AB equal to CD, then it is known as a isosceles trapezium. Then it is known as a isosceles trapezium. Non-parallel sides இல்லாதது அது வந்து ஈக்குவலாக இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா it is called as a isosceles trapezium. Okay, have you clear children? So now we are coming to the formula for the area of trapezium. Area of the trapezium equal to half into h into a plus b square unit. Half into h into a plus b square unit. Here I want to recall you what is the area of the parallelogram formula. Yes, what is the area of the rhombus formula you have to say. Okay, so now area of trapezium equal to half into h into a plus b square unit. Half into h into a plus b square unit. Listen children, in this diagram I have clearly defined that what is a, what is b, what is h. Okay, I drawn the trapezium diagram here. Okay va, slanting in the side, so it is a trapezium. So inga parunga h வந்து distance between this AB and CD. ஓகேவா, அதுதான் வந்து ஹெச்ன்னு டிஃபைன் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ அதுக்கப்புறம் ஏபியோட மெஷர்மெண்ட்டை வந்து ஏ. ஓகேவா, அதே மாதிரி சிடியோட மெஷர்மெண்ட் வந்து பி. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், ஹேவ் யூ கிளியர் அப் டு திஸ்? கேன் யூ சே ஒன்ஸ் அகைன் வித் மீ, வாட் இஸ் த ஏரியா ஆஃப் த trapezium? Area of the trapezium equal to half into h into a plus b square unit. Half into h into a plus b square unit. Okay, so now we are going to see some of the examples. Children, now we come to the page number 66. Okay, this is example 2.10. So find the area of the trapezium whose height is 14 centimeter and the parallel sides are 18 centimeter and 9 centimeter of length. Okay children, now I written the solution here. We are going to find the area of the trapezium. So what they given, I just written here very clearly, h, that is height they given 14 centimeter. Okay, and the parallel sides, that is a is 18 centimeter and b is 9 centimeter they given. Okay, everything we got it here. We want to substitute in the formula and then we will find the area of the trapezium. So listen children, area of the trapezium equal to, tell me the formula, half into h into a plus b square units. Okay, so I'll just written the half as it is here and then h value I written the 14 here. Okay, and then a plus b, a is 18 plus b is 9. Okay, okay children, then half you write 14, you write it here. So 18 plus 9, 18 plus 9 is what will come? 27 will come. Okay, now children, you just divide this 2 with this 14. Okay, we can't do with the 27, so we will do with the 14. 2 1s are 2 7s are 14. Now I have only 7 into 27. Okay, open your mouth and say the answer to me children. What is 7 into 27? So 7 into 27 is 189. Okay, everything is in the centimeter, so we have to give the centimeter square. Have you clear children? Okay, 7 into 27 is 189 centimeter square. You do the multiplication. I know it very clearly, so I can give the answer here. Okay, when you are writing that time, you just multiply the 7 into 27, you will get the same answer. Okay, have you clear children? Very much simple sum. Okay, move on to the next one. So the parallel sides of the trapezium are 23 centimeter and 12 centimeter. So parallel sides they given means we have to take it as a and b. So 23 centimeter and b is 12 centimeter. Okay, the distance between the parallel sides. So distance they given means we have to take it as a h. So h is 9 centimeter. Okay, find the area of trapezium. Find the area of trapezium. Okay, so we want to write it here. Open your mouth and say the children, area of the trapezium equal to, what will come? Say me the formula, half into h into a plus b square units. Okay, now half you write it here. H is 9 centimeter, A is 23 centimeter plus B is 12 centimeter. Okay, now half you write it here. I'll write the 9 here and 23 plus 12 is what will come? 35. Children, 35 into 9 is 315. Okay, so 35 into 9 is what? 315. Children, listen here. Here you can write 315 divided by 2. Divided by 2 you can give. Okay, then you just wanted to divide this 315 by 2. Okay, you just put the division symbol here, 315. Sorry children, here I don't have space, so I just put it here. Okay, so 315 divided by 2. You can say 2 1s are 2, remaining 11 is there. So 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Remaining again 1 is there. So 5 I'll get it down. So now how many times 15 will come? 2 7s are 14. Okay, 14. Remaining 1 will be there. So you just keep the point and put the 0 here. So 2 5s are what? 10. Okay children, Now the answer is 157.5. Okay, here you write 157.5. Okay, 157.5. Here you can see this centimeter, here also centimeter. So area we are finding means we have to give the centimeter square. Okay, 157.5 centimeter square is the answer. Okay children, very much simple. Okay, so next we just wants to move to the next sum, that is page number 67. This is page number 67. We are undergoing with example 2.12. Okay, listen children, the area of trapezium is 828 centimeter square. If the length of its parallel sides are 19.6 centimeter and 16.4 centimeter, find the distance between them. Already in one sum I just said distance means that is height. Distance means what ma? Height. Okay, we have to find the height. They given the a value and then area value capital A, you take it as a capital A, and then a value, small a value is 19.6 and then small b value is 16.4. now we have to find the h. We have to find the h. Shall we do the sum children? Now you write the area of the trapezium equal to capital A I given here, half into h into a plus b. Okay, we know that the formula. Now we just substitute the values here. 828 equal to half you given here, h you keep because we don't know that. Okay, so next a value is 19.6 plus, okay, b value is 16.4. okay children, now you just add these two numbers. Okay, so 19.6 here, 16.4. okay, 6 plus 4 is 10, carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, so carry 1. So 1 1 1, so we add means we will get the 36. okay, point next to 0 is there means it doesn't have any value, so we have to take the whole number as 36. now here you write 828 equal to half into h into 36. listen children, here 2 ones are 2. how many times 36 will come in the 2 table? 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. 18 times it will come. okay, now I have 18. okay, 18 into h is 18h, so 828 this side. okay, we want to find the h, so whatever we are finding that should be in the left hand side. so 18h equal to 828, then h equal to 828 divided by 18. okay, 828 divided by 18. so if we divide 828 by 18 means we will get what? We will get, okay, shall we do the division here? okay, we will do it here. okay, 18 828. okay children, 18 how many times? 4 times I will take first. okay, 4 8s are 8 4s are, open your mouth and say 8 4s are 32. very good. so 2 I will write, 3 I will take as a carry. so 4 ones are 4 and then 4 plus 3 is 5 6 7, so I will get 72. okay, 72 means remaining what I will get here? Here 2 minus 2 is 0, 8 minus 7 is 1. okay, now I have to undergo with this 8. okay, so now I will take 6. okay, wow, 6 8s are, open your mouth and say 6 8s are 48. I will keep 4 as a carry, so 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. okay, now I will get 18 into 6 is 108, so 0 is the remainder. so now I have divided, so I will get the answer h equal to 46. children, here you see a is centimeter, b is also centimeter, so we have to give the h value is centimeter. Okay, children, always remember when we are finding the area, there only we have to give the meter square, centimeter square, like that square. Okay, if we are finding the a value, b value, h value, means we have to mention only the units. No need to mention any square for that. Okay, are you clear, children? This whole sum very much simple sum. Understand well, read the question well, you can do the sum. Okay, only thing you have to be very strong in the basic mathematics, multiplication, addition and division. Okay, then only you can solve this sum very much easily. Children, now this is page number 68, example 2.14. Okay, the collar of the shirt is in the form of isosceles trapezium. Okay, whose parallel sides 17 centimeter and 14 centimeter, and the distance between them is 4 centimeter. Find the area of canvas. Okay, children, here see given. Okay, I already said distance they give means that is the height. So height is 4 centimeter. Okay, so a parallel sides, a is 17 centimeter and then b is how much ma, 14 centimeter. Okay, children, we want to find the area. Okay, so area of trapezium, equal to half into, okay, h into a plus b square unit. So half into h value is 4 centimeter and then a value is 17 centimeter, b value is 14 centimeter. So we want to add this. Okay, so 4 into 17 plus 4, what will come? 7 plus 4 is 11, carry 1, so 31 we will get. So now you just see it here, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, so 31 into 2, 31 into 2, so 31 into 2, what we will get? Open your mouth and say 2 ones are 2 and then 3 twos are 6, so we will get the answer 62. Okay, we are finding the area, so here centimeter they given, so we have to write the 62 centimeter square. Okay, very much simple some children. Okay, now we are going to start up with the exercise number 2.3. okay, children, now this is exercise number 2.3. okay, children, if I draw this table in the note means the note is getting excessive. Okay, so I'm just showing the question in this book and then I'll just solve the question in your note itself. Okay, so children, listen it carefully here. Find the missing values they given. So height a value, b value they given for the first sum. We have to find the area. Okay, for the second sum, no, they given the a value, b value and capital A, that is area. Okay, they given, but we have to find the h. Okay, like that, one sum, one values they are missing, we have to find the missing values here. Okay, children, first sum I'm going to solve it here, listen it carefully. Okay, so what they are given, no, as like a tabular column they given, I'm written here as a statement, you just come to know now. So I'm started here, exercise 2.3. h is 10 meter, a is 12 meter, b is 20 meter. Find the a. So capital A, that is area, equal to half into, open your mouth and say half into h into a plus b square units. Okay, so now we have to substitute the values here. Half, you write it here, h is 10 meter and then a is 12 meter plus b is 20 meter. So we just write it here, 2 ones are 2 5s are 10. So 5 into 12 plus 20 is what will come? 32 will come. So 5 plus 30, 5 into 32. 5 into 32 what will come? 5 twos are 10, carry 1, 5 threes are 15 plus 1 is 16. So 160. We are finding the area. So we have to give the, what we have to give? Meter square. Listen children, here they are not given any centimeter. All the values are in the meter. So here also we have to give the meter square. Okay, have you clear children? Okay, now we have to move to the second sum. In the first one itself we have the second sum, so we have to do that. Now children, in the first Roman itself, this is your second sum. Okay, so page number 69, a value, b value they given. We have to find capital A, area value also they given. We have to find the h value. Okay, shall we do the sum now? So you just tell me the formula. Capital A equal to, open your mouth and say children, area of the trapezium equal to half into h into a plus b. Okay, so you just write it here. A value is 492. Okay, equal to half into h we don't know, so a value is 13, b value is 28. Okay children, so half into h, 28 plus 13, what will come? 28 plus 13, 8, 9, 10, 11, carry 1, so 2, 3, 4. Okay, so like this it will come. Okay children, now you just 492 as it is, you write it here, 492 write it here. Now 41 into h is 41h. Okay, divided by 2. Okay, now as I said before, whatever we are finding, that should be in the left hand side. So 41h divided by 2 equal to 492. Children, this division this side come means it will be undergo with the multiplication. So 41h you keep as it is, 492 into 2. Okay, 492 into 2, what will come? 2 2s are 4. Okay, 9 2s are 18, carry 1, 4 2s are 8, plus 1 is 9, so 984 will come. So h you keep as it is here, 984 you keep it here. So 41 multiplication this side come means it will come as a division. So 984 divided by 41, 984 divided by 41. Now we have to undergo with the division. Shall we do the division here? Okay, so 984 41. Okay, first I'll take the two numbers, so 2 times I will multiply the 41. Okay, so 2 times multiply means what I will get? 2 1s are 2. Okay, 4 2s are 8 I will get. Okay, what is the remaining here? 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, 9 minus 8 is 1. Okay, so 16 I have it here, so I will take this 4 down. Okay, now you just multiply this 41 by 4 times. How many times? 4 times. Children, this number of times, no, I am doing by guessing only. So you have to be clear, means you just multiply and see what answer will come. According to that you go with the numbers. Okay, so 4 into 1 is 4, 4 4s are 16, so I'll get the remainder 0. So 41 into 4 times I'll get the answer 164. So now h value, what I will get it here? So 24 I'll get. All the values are in the centimeter, so I have to give the centimeter here. Okay children, very much simple. Okay children, this is the third sum. Okay, so h value they given 19 meter, a value we have to find, b value is 16 meter, a value capital A, that is area value, is 323 meter square. Okay, we have to substitute it here. You just listen it carefully children. 323 into half, I'll write it here. So h value is 19 meter they given. We don't know the a value, so as it is you write. B value is 16. Okay children, now you just put it 323 as usual here. So this division this side come means it will be, take it as a multiplication. Here this side I have only 19 into a plus 16. Okay, now 323 into 2, what will come? Open your mouth and say 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, again 3 2s are 6, equal to, so 19 multiplication is here, so this side come means it will be undergo with the division. So here this side a plus 16 I have. Okay, just listen children, I don't have space it here, so I have to continue here itself. You just go with the one by one, step by step. Children, 646 divided by 19, so 3 times if I give means I'll get 57. Now if I reduce this means 14 minus 7 is, I'll get the value 76. Okay, so now 14 minus 7 is 7, so 6 I will get it from here. Okay, now 4 times, if I multiply 19, so I will get the answer 76. Okay, 4 9s are 36, 6 3 is the carry, so 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, so I will get the remainder 0. Now 646 divided by 19 is 34. Okay children, equal to a plus 16. So as I said before children, whatever we are finding, that should be in the left side. So a plus 16 equal to 34. Just you change and write. Okay, so now so a equal to 34, as usual you write 16. This plus 6 is 16, this side come means minus 16. Okay, now we want to do the subtraction. 34 minus 16. Okay, 14 you keep it here. 14 minus 6, what will come? 14 minus 6 is 8. Okay, so now here 2 minus 1 is 1, so I will get the value. A value is 18. Okay, what here they given? The meter they given, so we have to mention the 18 meter. Okay children, are you clear? Here I don't have space, so I just continue here. You just continue in the same space itself. Okay, so now we are moving to the fourth sum. Children, now this is page 70. This is the first Roman fourth sum. They given the H, A and capital A. We have to find the B. We have to find the B value. So I'll write it here. A equal to half into H into A plus B. Okay, A value, capital A value is 360 equal to half into H value is 16. A value is 15. We don't know the B value. Okay children, here you see 360 into 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Listen children, previous sum I just multiplied this 2 with this number. Okay, because I can't able to divide this two number, so that I just multiply with this number. If you can divide this number with the 2 means you just go like this. Okay, now 8 into 15 plus B. Okay children, now this multiplication, this side come means we have to take it as a division. 360 divided by 8 equal to 15 plus B. Okay, do the division here. 368. Okay, how many times 36 will come? 8 4s are right, 36 are 32 only we will get. No, yes, how many times 36 will come? Open your mouth and say. Now this 8 36 is there, so 8 4s are 32. Okay, remainder 4 we will get. This 0 I will take it here, so 8 5s are what I will get? 8 5s are 40, so I will get the remainder 0 now. Okay, so this side if I divide means I will get the number 40 plus 50 equal to 15 plus B. Okay children, as I said before, whatever we are finding, that should be in the left side. So 15 plus B I will write it here, so 40 I will write it here, so B you write it here, so 40 plus 15, this side come means it will be as a minus 15, so 40 minus 15, what we will get? 40 minus 15, do the subtraction here. 10 minus 5 is 5, here 3 minus 1 is 2, we will get the answer 25. Okay, everything in the centimeter, so we just wanted to give the centimeter over here, so B value is 25 centimeter. Okay, till that we are completed the first sum. Children, now we are going to solve the second sum. Okay, find the area of the trapezium whose parallel sides are 24 centimeter and 20 centimeter. So parallel sides, if they give means we have to take it as a small a and small b. The distance they give means we have to take it as a h. So we have to find the capital A. Okay, children, so capital A equal to, okay, capital A equal to half into, okay, h into a plus b, okay, square units. Okay children, I written the formula here. We have to solve this. So a equal to half into h value is 15, so a value what I will get? 24 plus 20. Okay, are you clear children up to this? A I written here. Okay, so now A, capital A equal to half, you write it here, 15 you write it here, 24 plus 20 you will get the number 44. Okay children, now I just do the division. 22 ones are to 22 times 44 I will get. So capital A equal to 15 into 22. Okay, I will do the multiplication here. Listen it carefully. 15 into 24. 2 5s are 10, carry 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3. Same 30 only I will get here also. So I will get the answer 330. Okay children, now I have to write it here, 330. Listen children, all the units are in the centimeter. We found the capital A, so we have to give the centimeter square. Okay, very much simple sum children. Okay, so children listen it carefully. I am going to skip off that third sum, fourth sum, fifth sum, okay, and seventh sum. All the sums are in the same pattern, so we don't want to waste our time. Okay, so I am just going to teach you the sixth sum. Okay children, so you are also don't worry about that. You just see and write and learn whatever I am teaching you. Okay, don't get any confused. Okay children, now we just want to move to the page number 71, that is your sixth sum. Children, if you want to continue the third and fourth sum, nothing is problem, you can continue, you can do by your own. Okay, very much simple sum. All the examples I did know in the same pattern only. Exercise 2.3 la third, fourth, fifth, seventh sum. Okay children, you just do it if you want, otherwise you don't want to do that. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the sixth sum. Sixth sum is the sunshade of a window is in the form of isosceles trapezium whose parallel sides are 81 centimeter and 64 centimeter. So small a is 81, small b is 64 centimeter. The distance h is 6 centimeter. Find the cost of painting the surface at the rate of rupees 2 per square centimeter. Okay, shall we do the sum children? So here you write capital A equal to half into h into a plus b, square units, square units. Okay children, so I'll write it here, half into h value is 6 centimeter, a value is 81 centimeter plus 64 centimeter. Okay, now you just take it a half no, this 2 ones are 2 3s are 6, so I'll write it here 3 straightly. Okay, now 81 plus 64, what will come? 1 plus 4 is 5, 8 plus 6 is 14. Okay, 145 I will get. Now 145 multiply by 3. 3 5s are 15, carry 1. So 3 4s are 12 plus 1 is 13, carry 1. So 3 1s are 3 plus 1 is 4. 435 we will get. A equal to 435. 435 what? We found the capital A, no? So we have to give the centimeter square. Okay children, they are given one clear word. Okay, rate cost of painting the surface at the rate of rupees 2 per centimeter square. Okay va, so ஒரு ஸ்கொயருக்கு ஒரு ஸ்கொயர் சென்டிமீட்டர் ஸ்கொயருக்கு வந்து 2 rupees ஆகுது. ஓகேவா, ஸோ ஹியர் யூ ரைட் 1 centimeter square equal to rupees 2 they given. அப்போது 435 centimeter ஸ்கொயருக்கு எவ்வளோ ஆகும்? ஸோ 435 centimeter square into 2. So we will get 2, 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7, 4 2s are 8. So 870 rupees. Now you understand children what I am saying? 1 centimeter square ku, sorry, 1 centimeter square ku rupees 2 அப்படின்னா 435 centimeter square into 2 எவ்வளோ ஆகும்? 870 rupees ஆகுது. Okay what children, very much simple sum. Children listen it carefully. I'm going to take the skip off of 7th sum also. Don't worry about that and all. You just learn whatever I'm showing you, I'm teaching you. It will be clear to you. Don't get any confused here and there. Okay children. Okay, if you want to try those sums which and all I taken the skip or no, don't worry, you can try by your own. Okay, so up to this I'm going to finish off the today class. We have completed the exercise number 2.3. Okay children, next class, as I said in the first of this class, next class I'm going to conduct the test in the exercises 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Please get ready for the test. Okay, please get ready for the test. Okay children. Okay, I will meet you in the next class. Until then, this is bye from your maths teacher. Okay children, today homework is the from the page number 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70 and 71. Okay, till to that you just write and keep safely. Get ready for the next week test also.